Hey, hi. Here with the blind man handyman here, and I just was getting this squared up. It seems to be squared. Actually, I had the camera on and I didn't realize, well, I thought I had a recording and it wasn't, so I thought you guys were watching me square it up. Let's check the squareness of it now, I guess. I put a big bead across there, so she might be kind of hot. I think she's looking pretty good. Hoping so anyway. It's all still pretty hot. Maybe I'm not going to be able to check it till later. It's one thing about welding for me. I'm check on this side. I can't check this stuff until it cools down. I just ran a bead across there. You see that weld, and all this other stuff is just tacks. I'm hammering it around and getting it straight. So yeah, I'm not sure if that's a. So yeah, the rest are just tacks. That's my first bead there. I'm really welding it because I had it tacked on both sides. And it's tacked all around here too, like it's tacked on different edges. Oh, where's that? Right here. So it's tacked in all different places around. Just while I was hammering it around and heating it up again. Let's see what it looks like. Where's my hammer? The part that sucks for me is I can't see what it looks like until after. Oh, cool. There's my hammer. What the heck is that? Just a piece of metal. Hammer. Knock this slide out that. Slides off of there. I hope I got it in the seam. It looks like I missed the seam. I did too of that. I missed the bloody seam. Look at that. Well, that sucks. Maybe I'll try to weld one more in the right spot this time. Oh, shit happens. I was rushing. I was happy to have it nice and straight. Did I do that wrong again? Can't believe that. I really did miss that. Oh, that's a dummy move. might look like a nice weld though. Oh, that was sucked. I'm just hoping to knit that together so it wouldn't move. Back down. It's working just perfect over here. Come on. Gotta be grand. Look what I missed. So the welder was broken. Doesn't seem to be welding the same one now. Had it all apart. I'm gonna leave this for tonight. The other seems to be burning really hot. If I turn it, it goes. Let's see if I can turn it down a bit more. I'll have to look at it tomorrow. I've done this for tonight. I worked all day putting it indoors, so this was just me fooling around. I'll get it put together. Make sure you get... Almost done. That's it. No more practice. It's all good. But I've had problems with the welder. I've had the welder all apart. Doesn't want to run sometimes. It's like there's dirt or something in it, and it goes into overheat mode. Well, that's it for the Blind Man Handyman. You guys have a good night.